Hey.
Hello.
Hey guys, what is up? It's Pressley and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am here with the most amazing people, Emily and Layla. Today, we are going to be cooking Thanksgiving dinner. We have never done this before. Any of this, the only person that maybe has a little bit of experience is Emily.
Yes. These girls don't know how to use the stove. So
or the dishwasher. We'll see how it goes. So before I get started, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. And don't forget to go follow me on all my social media platforms. They're all Pressley. So, let's get started. First, so here's the game plan. We're doing turkey. We're gonna start with that. We're gonna start with the turkey.
That takes the longest.
Okay, we gotta scale. Expand.
Turkey?
Oh, yeah. And then we're gonna do roasted potatoes because those also take time.
Yes.
Then we're gonna do mac and cheese and cornbread.
Muffins.
Cornbread muffins. Yeah. Let's get the turkey out.
Let's harmonize. Ready?
So this is going great. So our turkey's from Trader Joe's.
Merry Christmas.
Oh my god, I got juice on the counter. Well, how do you cook a turkey?
Let's giblets.
How do you cook a turkey? What?
It's complicated.
Well, what do I do?
What are giblets?
The inside?
We need to take the giblets out.
Oh! You need to like scoop its guts. That's what it means.
Oh my god.
She's not lying. You have to like take all the
No,
insides out. to
it's
make
giving
this
like
thing.
pumpkin.
It's like the intestines and stuff.
Oh my god.
I'm out.
I think I'm allergic.
Can you just make ham?
Okay, we're gonna make ham. I think we're gonna make. We made the executive decision to do ham instead of turkey. Do you think we could put it in the air fryer?
Girl.
No, I'm being real.
So just put it. Please do not. I think you could get like a parasite from that.
80% of America has parasites.
It's like a Hershey's Kiss.
It looks like you're opening a present.
Is that scoop? Ooh! Oh! Nice.
Why does it look moldy?
Wait, it does not look moldy.
They
Yeah.
were vegetarians.
It looks like the Scoob from Jessie, that episode.
Should I look up how to cook ham? Em, do you know how to cook ham?
Yes.
Really?
No. Should we name her?
Can we name her Bertha?
Francesca?
Scoob. What's the brand?
Scooby.
Scooby-Doo.
What's the brand?
Spiral.
Pam.
Pam!
Pam the ham.
Pam.
I love Pam.
Pam is squishy. Beat him up.
Heat the ham 12 to 15 minutes per pound. I'm assuming.
Does this have sesame seeds?
I'm gonna go with like 12.
Hey, let's see. If I can lift it.
I would say like 6.
No, this is more than 6. This is like 8.
9. How about 9?
9.
Can you cut it open?
Okay.
Okay, put the knife away.
Put it down.
Put it
Bro,
down.
put
Put
it
it down.
It's not gonna fit through the sliver.
I'm not getting anywhere near that thing. Pam, I love you, but
Look at the congealed fat. Why is it peeling? Okay, so we're waiting for the oven to preheat.
guys, time check. It's 9:06. Oh, PM, by the way.
Yeah, PM. It's going in.
It's going in. Pam, this is your debut.
All right. Oh, she heavy. Bye, Pam.
Pam's turning its.
We're gonna make the potatoes now.
Yeah, we're gonna make the potatoes. We saw a really good recipe on TikTok. Look at those.
You make this week, it has to be these Parmesan crusted roasted potatoes.
So you need butter, olive oil, garlic, parsley, parmesan.
We haven't even made our first dish.
I think we have garlic.
Imagine having it cook Thanksgiving.
Oh my god, should we put bacon bits on them?
Yes.
Yeah. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Holding on.
I don't have our chili flakes.
Hold on.
We're melting the butter.
Because we don't have a microwave, which is okay.
Enough butter!
We just need a little bit more.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we
Yes,
don't.
because
It's
it's
half with a stick.
and what about it?
The butter's melted.
Now we need olive oil.
Oh yeah, olive oil. How much do you think?
1, 2, switcheroo.
method.
All right, we're gonna do oregano.
Can I try?
Sure.
Okay, a little more.
Oregano tastes like herbs.
Like turds?
What did you say?
Herbs.
Herbs? Herpes?
Herbs.
Herbs? Herbs? You did not.
I thought it was herbs.
Go. Leave.
All right, so we're doing a lot of pepper. Then we're doing some garlic salt.
I thought we were using the garlic.
We're using both, girl.
I don't think we need the minced garlic.
Do you want it to be flavorful?
All right, and then Parmesan cheese, right?
Yeah.
Put lots of that.
Where do I put that?
Where do I put them when they're done?
Use a paper towel.
We're gonna cut them.
It's working out for me.
Oh my god.
Or do you want more?
No, that's plenty.
That's plenty of fish in the sea.
The pause.
Lila, do you want to cut one?
Yeah. No? Okay.
Yay!
Okay, good job, Layla. Good job.
Thank you.
She got nervous.
My heart was beating on my chest a bit. She's like, woo.
And should we put them in a big bowl and like put the mixture on it?
Are these onions? Don't they make you cry?
Yeah. You want to try? You have to cut them. Let's put the potatoes into a bowl.
The sound.
That is not
That is
enough.
not enough.
Do you think we should make some more?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna make some more of the sauce, and then we'll be back. It's so good. We need more.
Wait.
Guys.
No, this is good. So you take one and dip it.
Just
Maybe we should just sprinkle it on top. So they're like
Yeah.
cheesy potatoes.
Okay. Alright. Okay.
Alright, so we spread the potatoes out on the baking sheet, and we're gonna, instead of dipping them, we're gonna sprinkle them with Parmesan. Oh my god, this
Let me
looks
get a
so
grip.
good. Let me get a grip.
Why'd you grab the whole thing?
I can't get it off.
We reset the oven to 450
Yeah.
because it's just taking too long.
And so we're gonna put this in the oven. Guys, it's been so long. We literally ate Chick-fil-A because we were so hungry.
Yeah.
But the potatoes are finally done. So scratch the cornbread because we don't really want it. We're just gonna make a dessert to our Thanksgiving. Okay guys, so we're actually gonna make mac and cheese while we do our dessert too. We're making mac and cheese from scratch. What a day.
I think this is a medium saucepan.
That is not a medium saucepan. That is a pan, period. Okay, we need 6 cups of water.
Wait, guys, can you crack my back real quick? Wait,
Wait,
what happened to your back?
Why was yours so quiet?
you want to crack your back, Lila?
My back doesn't stop.
One time I did that to
Molly. No more. The joke is over. The joke ended.
While we wait for the water to boil, we're gonna get started on dessert.
On the floor, I need to be blown.
Lila, you cannot. Like,
It's not working.
aww.
Justice for the girl being left out.
We're definitely going in the Cheetos never work edits.
Wore long white socks and didn't tell her.
One.
Justice for the girl laying on the floor.
Oh, I got eggshell.
I'm just whisking.
No more.
I'm scared.
Hey guys. Okay, so
I'm melting the butter.
she's melting the butter. I like taking over this vlog.
Hey guys, fit check. So my top is from Urban, my zip up is from Brandy, and my sweats are from Brandy.
My sweatshirt is from Urban. Shorts are from Target. My socks are from Ascot Hard.
My pants are from Pressley. This is from I don't know, and then this is from Lulu.
Now we're pouring it in.
That is not 3 tablespoons of butter.
This is not.
I'm
mixing.
pouring this in here. Ah!
Wow.
Okay, so Emily poured the glaze that's supposed to go on top of our blondies into there, and it is chunky. The mix ain't mixing.
The mix ain't mixing.
I'm scared. Guys, this is not eating. Literally, we're not gonna eat it. Like, can you put that in here?
Do you want to just make our own recipe?
Like, yeah, let's try it.
Okay.
I put that in here.
Okay.
I forgot about the ham. Like, it's just in there.
I don't think it's cooked.
Ham is definitely, like, going through it. What is this? Why are you putting it in here?
It's too heavy.
Okay, move.
I got it. It's in.
Okay.
It's separated.
Oh my god. All right, guys, can you grab a pan?
That actually looks so good.
Do you have a square pan? Did you hear me?
Wait.
Do you have a square pan?
Oh yeah, I do.
Okay, can you grab that? And can you grab your Pam? Not the ham, but the spray.
Can you drain the noodles, Em?
I don't know where your strainer is. I don't live here.
You basically do. You cook more in this kitchen than I do.
Yeah. Okay. This looks like slime.
Where's my slime with no borax?
Slime, no borax, no laundry detergent, no glue.
Slime, one ingredient.
Slime, no ingredient at all.
5 minute, 1 ingredient slime.
Slime, with just air.
All right.
Oh, the steam is hot.
Maybe just let it cool for a second.
Yeah, maybe just let
Can I open it?
No, don't touch it. Don't.
Sure.
don't use
Okay. Okay.
this. You can use this, but I'm just like, be careful. It's hot.
Hurry, my carrot about that.
Oh.
Wow.
Looks a little dry. Okay.
Guys, we just strained the pasta. Oh.
I wanna.
Ooh.
I'm tired.
I'm so tired.
I just want to go to bed.
All right, let's finish. Okay, guys, so all of our food is done.
We finished.
Finally.
What's the time?
Let's give you a start.
12:06.
12:06. We started at
9:06. Yes.
So let's start with the mac. This looks okay. I'm sorry.
It looks like cardboard.
This looks
bro.
so bad. Usually, like, I love this mac and cheese. Okay, it's like such a good vegan mac and cheese, but
It's giving cardboard.
I don't know what we did,
It looks dry.
Dehydrated.
but we have to try it.
Just say that we already tried it. Off camera. Guys, we tried most of these things off camera because we're a little scared.
stop lying.
No. Okay.
I just tried the mac and cheese. It's not very good, so I'm not
Yeah,
gonna make them try
we-
it. Then we have our potatoes, which actually look the best out of everything.
Good.
Buttery.
Mmm, greasy.
Not bad.
And then we have the ham.
Then we have Pam.
So
this is Pam.
this is Pam.
We're gonna try her a different day.
We're gonna save
Not
her.
tonight.
We're gonna
We'll save her for a different time. And then we have
our cornbread blondie.
cornbread. Girl, there's no cornbread in it.
Wait, that actually looks really good.
It's raw.
It looks really good.
Okay, raw.
Wait.
Is it good?
Wait, interesting texture.
Tastes like grandma.
I'm sorry.
Like if a grandma was a cookie.
This
think that's a 9 out of
potatoes.
10.
Yeah, this is a 9 out of 10.
This is a
Potatoes
10 out
are
of
like
10.
a 6.
7.
I didn't try it.
Pam is a 100 out of 10.
Pam is perfect in every shape.
Pam,
Wait.
she's too perfect. We didn't even want to eat her. She's too good.
And the mac and cheese is a 0.
0 across the board.
And with that, I hope you have a good Thanksgiving.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you had a happy and thankful and safe Thanksgiving with your loved ones and
Pam.
Pam.
Just make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post a brand new video. And don't forget to follow me and Emily and Layla on all of our social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember to stay sweet. See you next time. Bye.